Severing ties of kinship. The next major sin is severing ties with relatives. This is a very serious issue, whose consequences, unfortunately, many are unaware of. A single narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6519, indicates its seriousness. Allah, the Exalted, will sever His connection of mercy from the one who severs ties with their relatives over worldly reasons. It is often observed, especially amongst the Asian community, that over petty worldly issues a Muslim sever ties with a relative, even though they were treated well by them for years. Only after the relative dies does the Muslim then show regret, even though it is too late now. This is an ignorant mentality and must change. How can one expect to gain success in this world or in the next if Allah, the Exalted, cuts His mercy off from them? In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5984, that the one who severs bonds with their relatives over worldly issues will not enter paradise. In addition, severing ties of kinship is a characteristic which Allah, the Exalted, has cursed in the Holy Quran. A person who is cursed like this will only face one difficulty after another, until they leave this world to face more difficulties. Chapter 47 Muhammad, verses 22 to 23.
So would you perhaps, if you turned away, cause corruption on earth and sever your ties of relationship? Those who do so are the ones that Allah has cursed.
Even if one is a sinful Muslim, a relative should not sever ties with them. Instead, they should persistently advise them to abandon their disobedience to Allah, the Exalted, and in no way aid them in their evil behavior. Only when one feels threatened by the evil behavior of their relative should they avoid them at all costs. Chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 1.
And fear Allah, through whom you ask one another and the wombs.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.